Hi friend, welcome to my channel's YouTube English tutorial. Today I am going to present a very important topic, that is how to open or create a YouTube channels. Okay, so before going to screen, let us listen something that is related to opening a YouTube channels. Okay, mm, before making or creating a YouTube channels, one should remember that one must or should have to create a YouTube channel in which he has a great mastery, have a mastery, and that he will perform very perfect, or the YouTube channel in which he is expert. He can explain the YouTube content totally clearly before the audience, before in his videos. Okay, also he has a good capability to prevent to present the particular content. Okay, it also must be attractive. Okay, as he wish. It may be comedy, entertainment, tutorial, technical issue, grammar, uh, agriculture, grammatical rate, anything he can choose. Okay, so let us to the screen. Before making a YouTube channels professionals, one should better to have a laptop or desktop, but you can work from Android set also. So making a YouTube channel, you have to first select a browser. Here I am selecting Chrome browser at first. Okay, I have to refresh because I have already browsed many things. After selecting Chrome browser, you have to make your Android set in desktop browser. So to make it desktop browser, you have to click on the top corner of your handset, three dots, and here you can select your desktop site. Okay, and then you have to type on the address bar where you can see the search or type web address. Okay, here you have to type www.youtube.com, and then you have to click or press go. Okay, the YouTube page is opening, so keep patience. Finally the page have opened. Here at the right corner of the top of your device, you can see the Google account icons, a man icon actually, where you have to click. Okay, here I am clicking. Here, please watch. Here I am clicking. Here the click is not connecting. Yes, the click is successful, and there is a pop-up box is open where you can see the setting options. Okay friends, here you are looking at the setting option. You have to click on the setting options. Okay, the page is opening. After setting option, a page will open, and there you will show your account. At the bottom of the your accounts, two options you will show: view additional features and see all my channels, or create a new channels. Okay, you have to click or last option, see all my channels or create a new channels. Okay, and there a page also open, and there you can see 4 channels that I have already created. But in order to show you live, I will create another channel. To create another channel, you have to press on the plus icon where you see create a new channel. Okay friends, here you have to click. The page is opening, so keep patience and watch. After opening a page, you will show another page where a brand account name will appears. Actually brand account name is the YouTube channel's name. Okay, the channel you want to create. Here you have to type the channel you wish to create. Okay, here I am typing another channel, that is tutorial English YouTube tutorial English YouTube. Okay friends, and then after typing that you have to click on the create option. The page is processing. You will be redirected to the YouTube page. So be patient, and there a page will open. Open there are showing a black portion upon which a logo of your YouTube channel, the man signs. Here you can get this logo of your YouTube channels and also the banner in this editing option. Here you can use by clicking the banner of your YouTube channels, and after clicking here you can use your logo. Okay, so we at first set the logo. In order to set the logo you have to click on the edit option on the pen icon. The page is opening, so you have to wait. Okay, friend. The page is opening, but your channel icon link to brand channels may take few minutes to show on your YouTube channel. কিছুটা সময় নিতে পারে আর কি. Okay friend, so here you have to click on the edit options, and here you can use your logo. You will show upload options where you have to click in order to insert your pictures. So remember, before uploading a logo of a YouTube channel you have to create a logo before opening a page and save on your files to upload it. Okay, so I am here clicking on the file options, and then I will click gallery, and then my pictures, YouTube channels. The logo is uploading. After displaying the picture on your screen, you will press on the done option. Okay, here done option. The upload is processing. Okay, the picture is set on YouTube channel logo. Okay, here you can see my pictures. Okay friends, and then you have to press the back of your device back button, and the logo is not appear here or not visible here because I am not refreshing this page. Okay, after refreshing you will show this logo here. Okay, and then in order to choose the banner or add channel arts you have to click on this here. Okay, edit channel art, you have to click edit channel arts. After clicking this you will show this page, and there you can use your banner. Okay, here I am choosing for banner picture gallery, and from gallery you can choose any picture you like. Here I am choosing these pictures. Okay, you can also show the preview of the picture that you will select on your monitor or desktop on your TV and on your mobile, it will show this type. After selecting this picture, you can also adjust crop the picture here from. Okay, after selecting the picture, you have to click on the select option. Upload only you can view, you don't public or okay, because so I have to return of the page my channels, and then this way you can, after selecting this picture, you can submit, and thereafter your YouTube channel will create. Okay, that's it today's videos, and next videos I will show to add descriptions of your YouTube channels and how to upload the videos. Okay friends, thank you for watching my videos. Okay friend, after selecting this picture, sorry for disturbing network, after selecting this banner picture, you have to click on the select options. Okay, here you don't have any public reset upload, so it will not appear on your channels. Okay, here the banner is actually posted. Okay, and the logo also will appear here after refreshing the page. Here you, now the creation of the YouTube channel is clear. That's why you can create the YouTube channel. Also you will show here the channel description. Channel description is mean the channel, actually here you will describe the channel of your, the channel purpose, channel's contents, types, etc. as you like, your names, etc. Okay, B channel's description is important thing, because when a person browse from YouTube a channels, there is similarity of your channel's description. Okay, is the similarity of your channel description and uh, his browsing similarity will match, and it will help you to come before. Okay, the browser. Today's tutorial is here came to an end. Next time we will describe how to write the description box and video manager, how to use upload videos. Okay, etc. So please subscribe my channels if you are the new user of my channels. Friends, also like, comments, and if it will possible, press the bell icon. Okay friends, thank you.